guys, or rather good morning to me and good whatever time of the day it is for you when you're watching this. So I just woke up looking like this, and last month I actually did a video on I woke up looking like this after trying out some products from Mamaearth, and I got such an amazing response from you guys. So many comments telling me that the products have actually worked for you. Some people tried it out after watching the video. So thank you so much for your comments, guys. It really helps me to find out what you are going through and what's working for you, what's not working for you. And on that really happy note, let me tell you that since then I have been using that night routine for almost all of the days. Like on some days when I'm trying out a new beauty product to review or to test it out, that's a whole different thing. Sometimes I try out DIYs to do my videos, but on most of the days personally I have been using the night skincare routine which I showed in my last video, so I'll put that link down in the description box below. And yes, my skin has been behaving really well. I have been loving my skin, and ever since that routine started, my skin has been behaving even better. So in today's video, guys, so basically what happened was Mamaearth sent me a bunch of more products from their vitamin C range, and today I thought I'll just use them in my morning routine and share it with you all. So yes, the products have been sent by Mamaearth, but I'm just sharing my review, and whatever you see is a part of whatever happens. So first I'll be trying out the Mamaearth vitamin C face wash with the vitamin C face toner. I have talked about these two products before, so I'll not go into too many details. You can check my last video out if you want to know more about them, or if you have been thinking of buying it, you can check all the pros and cons and everything in my last video. Apart from that, I'll also be using the Mamaearth vitamin C face mask and the Mamaearth vitamin C face cream. So these are the four products I'll be trying out today for my morning routine and sharing my experience with you all. Let's see how this works out for my skin and how I end up looking by the end of this routine. Just keep watching this video, guys, to find out. So starting with my vitamin C skincare routine for the day, let me first tell you why vitamin C. Now vitamin C is a very potent antioxidant that helps in regeneration of your skin cells. It helps in repairing damaged skin cells while also brightening up the skin. So I'm going to start with the vitamin C face wash from Mamaearth, which I have been using for a long time now, and I can tell you that this definitely balances the pH levels of your skin. And it's designed for skin illumination. It also contains turmeric, and my skin personally loves it. I'm going to follow this up with the Mamaearth vitamin C face toner, which apart from vitamin C also contains cucumber. The product is designed for pore tightening and also feels extremely cool on the skin, and my skin personally loves this toner. Following this up with the Mamaearth vitamin C face mask. Now this is a product which I'm using for the first time today. It contains vitamin C and kaolin clay, and it's once again designed for skin illumination. The product is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and it also contains bioactives. Now kaolin clay is again a very good ingredient for deep pore cleansing and for leaving your skin squeaky clean. I personally love using kaolin clay even in my DIYs. You might have even seen this on my channel. So applying this all over my face and neck, and I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, washing everything off with lukewarm water, and here's a quick zoomed in close-up look of my skin and how my skin is looking right now. It definitely feels fresh, cool, and so soft. The last and final step, I have with me the Mamaearth vitamin C face cream. Now this is the product which I'm actually most excited to try out today, because not only does it contain vitamin C, but it also contains SPF 20. More on this later. The product is again designed for skin illumination. It's paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and designed to suit all skin types. Now because it contains SPF 20, I think this product particularly would be very good for those who have skin aging issues, or if you're like me and you spend a lot of time under harsh lights, or if you have UV lights in your home. Even for those people, this is really good. But for people who get a lot of sunlight into their rooms, into their houses, I think this can also be a very good product to use, because it can actually give you an extra layer of protection. And here's a little something which I want to mention here, guys. It also protects against UVA and UVB rays, so it gives you protection against both. So just going to take a little bit of the formula and apply this all over my skin. Now for a cream, the formula is definitely lightweight and absorbs very quickly. However, if you have oily skin, just use a little bit. For people like me who have dry skin, you can take a little bit more and apply a little bit extra on your face and neck. While applying the cream, massage really well, and that's it. Also guys, Mamaearth is an Indian brand with all products manufactured in India, and you know me, I'm all for hashtag vocal for local. It's very important for us to support our Indian manufacturing units, Indian brands, especially during these times. Alright guys, time for the moment of truth. I decided to come and sit back here in the same location, so maybe I can do a before-after comparison shot while editing the video. So right now, as I'm just looking at the camera, I can't really tell if there's much difference or not. I mean, the skin definitely feels fresh and soft. That's definitely there, well moisturized. Yeah, I like how my skin is feeling right now, and I think I like how my skin is looking right now on camera. Maybe while editing, maybe when you guys are watching me say all this, you'll be able to see a better difference. Guys, it's just a one day's routine really. You won't see a magical difference anyway. But I kind of want to take you through my journey and just tell you, show you everything, because the last time when I used the Mamaearth products for my night routine, I definitely felt a difference, and a lot of you really love the products too, right? Having said that, guys, I will put the links for all the products used in today's video in the description box below. You can go to these various e-commerce websites, check the reviews, ratings, see what everybody's talking about, what everybody has been saying. And if you want to buy the products, I would highly recommend that you buy it directly from the Mamaearth website. And Mamaearth is also a PETA certified cruelty free brand. They're also a plastic positive brand, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use. So they have all these amazing things going on the side, apart from the fact that the products are actually good, because whenever I use them, I come back and I see these amazing comments in the comment section. So guys, if you have used any Mamaearth products yourself, any product, not just these but any other product if you have used also, please come back, share your comments, share your feedback in the comment section below. Let everyone know what you have been thinking, how it has worked for you, because when I see your comments, it helps me understand which brands to talk about more, which brands to not talk about more. You might have seen that off late I've stopped talking about so many other brands because I wasn't getting a very good feedback from my viewers, and then it doesn't make sense for me as a creator to talk about those brands, right? If it's not helping you, what's the point? So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's quick video. I hope you enjoyed this quick routine. I just kind of wanted to share my routine for the day with you all anyway. And yeah, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this subscribe to this channel. Sorry guys, I'm just like really hungry now. So don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications. Keep coming back to Superboss Style for more. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.